Hi everyone, today we're gonna present for you video how to make the provisional restoration and direct technique. Provisional restoration is a fixed process designed to enhance the aesthetics and stabilization and function for a limited period of time, after which it replaced by definite process until a permanent crown can be affixed. Lies the foundation for the dentist to create a successful permanent restoration for fabricated chairside by dentist or assistant. The instrument we use to make a provisional restoration: plastic instrument, acrylic burr, polymethyl methacrylate, polishing powder and the rubber curb, Schwellen jelly, articulating paper. First of all, we mix the body index fastly for the prepared teeth. We place the body index for any prepared teeth and the adjacent teeth. Sure, the thickness of the body index is the same for all teeth. After 2 minutes, we remove the body index slightly. Then we apply the petroleum jelly, which is the Vaseline, on the prepared teeth and the adjacent teeth. This acrylic material on the body index for prepared teeth, and make sure that you don't put too much to avoid the bubble on the placement. We use the plastic instrument to remove the crown from the interproximal area. The margin by acrylic burr, and the burr should be parallel to the margin for prepared tooth. Then with Explorer we check if the restoration is fitting with the margin without any cracks. Then we use the articulated paper to check if there is highest point on the preparation. Then we use a rubber cup with polishing powder to polish the provisional restoration. After polishing, the restoration is ready to use.